So welcome back to day 7 of 100 days of Microsoft Power BI. Today is day 7. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, the data sets or data science files that you need to practice along while learning with me will be linked below under the YouTube description. Do make sure to check it out and download it and practice also.
Welcome back. In this chapter, we will be looking at dates in Power BI. We'll learn about the importance of having a standalone date table, as well as how to use date and time intelligence functions in DAX. We'll finish off this chapter by learning how to create quick measures. Power BI has hundreds of built-in functions available. We'll walk through some example date and time, format, and time intelligence functions using the date 20th September 2020 at 12:52 p.m. as our datetime argument. Using some of the date and time functions, we can pass through our datetime. For the year function, it will return 2020, quarter returns 3, and month returns 9. However, on some occasions, we want dates formatted in ways that the current date and time functions cannot provide. For example, if we want the weekday name of the date, we need to use the format function, where we pass our argument and the desired format expression. In this case, we will type D 4 times. An exhaustive list of all format functions can be found in the DAX documentation. Power BI also has various time intelligence functions available, but we'll look at them later when creating quick measures. Working with dates in your reports is very common. There will always be occasions where we need to evaluate data in a time series to be able to spot trends and patterns. Out of the box, DAX has useful functions and features that support working with dates. It contains over 20 date and time functions and over 30 time intelligence functions, and it is